Hi YouTube, Tech482 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Alexa Echo Show 8. Before we begin, please can you like and subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell icon below, you'll be notified whenever I upload. So let's begin. So first of all, let's take a look at the outer packaging. So what we can see from the side is it says 8-inch HD touchscreen with adaptive colour, 13 megapixel camera with built-in cover, stereo speakers, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone and camera on-off button. Now this is one of 3 products that I'm going to be reviewing this month from the Amazon Echo range, which includes this Echo Show 8. It includes the Echo 4th generation premium sound, and it includes the Echo 3rd gen Dot. All of those products I'm going to be reviewing over this month. And please comment below if there's another product you'd like to see reviewed by myself or unboxed, and it's something that we will arrange. But let's start unboxing it now. So straight away when we open the box up, we can see the products. If I lift this up like that, quite like that, that is a nice way of packaging something. There's nothing better than unboxing something that's aesthetically pleasing to both look at after you've unboxed it and while you unbox it. Now, although I knew it was an 8-inch screen, with it being the Echo Show 8, it's surprisingly bigger than I expected it to be. So what we'll do is we'll just take off this packet. We'll be careful not to drop it and break it before we've even reviewed it. And there you go, you can see it there. So what I noticed straight away is on the top you've got a mute button, a volume down, a volume up, and we've got a camera cover there. On the rear of this, you've got the rear mounted speakers. Now, I will double check this, but I believe these speakers are side mounted. I saw that on another review, and that's something that I will confirm. It's a really sleek, nice looking design. On the back, we've got a power adapter port, and we've got a micro USB port. Underneath, we've got the product information, and we've got this sort of plastic rubberized stand. In the box, we've got the power adapter, which is a 30-watt power adapter with a UK plug. And then here, we have, if I can find it, the Hello Echo Show 8 leaflet and the important information that we know I'm not going to read. So that's what you get in the box. I think what we'll do now is set it up and we'll have a play around with it and we'll see what the sound quality is like. While the device updates, I just want to let you know of a few of the thousands of skills and services that are included with these Echo devices. You can use Amazon Music, Spotify, Apple Music, Prime Video, Netflix, Hue personal lighting, and so much more. Personally, one of my favourite skills and services you can use with the Echo devices is that you can link it to your Ring doorbell. Now, I have my current Echo, which is a 3rd generation Dot, in my living room, and that is linked to my doorbell, and if anyone presses that doorbell, my little Echo Dot rings, which is absolutely fantastic because it's cheaper to buy the Echo Dot, which is multifunctional, than it is to buy the Ring chime. Now, I'm not going to go into great depth, but I just want to show you a few skills of the Echo Show 8. Alexa, set me a weekday alarm.
Alarm for what time?
6 a.m.
Alarm set for every weekday at 6 a.m.
So this is a really handy feature to me, as my Echo Show 8 will be going into my bedroom. But for example, if you had an Echo Show 8 or 5, for example, in your kitchen, you can also do timers. Alexa, set me a 5-second timer.
5 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Another absolutely fantastic feature is the fact that you can use it to integrate within your smart home. Alexa, what's the temperature inside?
It's 21.
Alexa, turn the heating up to 24 degrees.
The heat's set to 24.
So that is an absolutely fantastic feature. And my final and favourite feature is the fact that you can integrate it with your Ring doorbell and your Ring security cameras. Alexa, show me my front camera.
A couple things share that name, front and front door. Which one did you want?
Front.
Okay.
I am really impressed with this device. At the time of filming, which is December 2021, this device is on offer by about 33% at $79.99 from its usual price of $119.99. Now, to be fair, I would happily pay 120 quid for this device. I think it's brilliant, but at £80, it's an absolute steal. I think the best place for this device is probably a bedroom, especially with the features such as the alarm and the smart home. It just makes your life so much easier than getting out of bed. And you can just be a little bit lazy, for example, on your morning off, or if the doorbell gets rang or anything like that. You've got all those features in this. Also, I wanted to talk a little bit about the sound quality. The sound quality is absolutely brilliant for what it is. And the dual speakers in this really give off a good stereo sound. Now, you can buy this from Amazon, and as you can see at the moment, as said, there is a number of discounts across the range, and that's currently in December 2021. I've added a link below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe. Thank you.